Hello. I know that it's been a rather long time. You haven't seen me in a bit, and I know I always say that I'm never quitting again, and I'm not going to say it this time because I totally might. Today, I'm going to fly this drone for the first time in months. I have been busy and lazy, so I've had to do some rather janky things. So my batteries that powered this radio are dead, and oh no. God, no. I forgot my immortality. Yep. Okay, I'll be back. Behold, a gift from the ones above. Someone left an immortality on the ground. And we're back. By the way, someone unrelated to what just happened. This thing, 4 months later after my review, this thing's kicking it. My review, you should buy one of these. And just so you know that my opinion matters, I currently have on this board 331 miles, half the distance from home to Purdue. So this is my setup now. We have the radio and the goggles physically connected together because I've got one battery powering the both of them. Goggles on. There it goes. And guess what? It's not going to talk because I'm recording DVR today. Alright, and then finally, we got the drone itself. Now the reason there's no card inside here is because I actually lost all the cards.